Hello everybody watching this video. My name's Carson and I'm going to show you how to make a cootie catcher. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm just doing the bare minimum. So all you really need to do the bare minimum is just a pair of scissors, piece of paper. That's it. Okay, so first, well technically the second step, you need to fold the piece of paper so you can make a perfect square. Now, keep in mind, I'll be honest, I'm not the best at doing this. So don't be screaming at me if you're watching this video and being like, oh my God, Carson, that sucks. Almost accidentally did the next step. All right, so I was getting a little bit excited for some reason. The step 3 is you need to cut this little part right here off, so then you'll have a nice square. I gotta make sure I don't accidentally cut the actual paper off. Hold on, that sounded stupid. There we go. Oh my God, that is so uneven. Okay, so hopefully when you fold the paper, it looks a lot nicer. I messed up pretty bad, but that's all right. And then you want to take the corners of each part, you want to get each corners of the paper and try and fold them in the middle the best you can. I am doing a terrible job at this. Oh my gosh, that is so uneven. Hold on. I haven't even got to harder steps and this already looks awful. Jesus Christ, look at this. This is a monstrosity. There. This is the base. Oh my God, this is actually bad. How did I mess this up so much? All right, step 4, you gotta okay, you flip it over and then you kind of you fold the corners to the center again. It's kind of hard to explain, honestly, so I'm just gonna show you with my definitely amazing cootie catcher. I can't even think of the name. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Hold on, we got one corner. There you go. Hopefully yours looks better than mine. Okay, the last step is actually really easy, and I'm pretty sure my awful cootie catcher will work. So let's go ahead and do that last step, shall we? All right, so after you've done this step, hopefully yours does look better than mine. It came out all right. All you gotta do is just fold it in half. Make sure you fold on the already I can't even think of the word. Like the folding lines, these folding lines, whatever the heck they're called. I can't even think of the word. And now we got to make it 3D. Then you just make it 3D after you folded it in half, which I know sounds kind of silly, but it does actually turn 3D. Let's hope mine does, because I don't want to have to do this over again. I'm gonna be honest. Hold on. Oh, what? Oh my gosh, this is awful. Jesus Christ. There you go. Cootie catcher. So of course with cootie catchers, you can color them and stuff if you want. I'm not going to, because I don't even like coloring crap in the first place. You know, you can do like this, like you can write numbers in the middle of it, and they flip up the tab and they like see their fortune or whatever. I don't know, I guess we're back in like the 1980s, but I will admit, these are fun to make. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. So that was how to make a cootie catcher from me. Now, oh crap. I'm doing important work. When you make yours, I really hope it's a lot better than mine, because mine was really, wait, hold on. Ooh, that was a mess up. Oops. Hopefully it was better than mine. You can use whatever paper you want. I was just showing you the bare minimum. I will tell you though, I messed up again. Uh-oh. I'm about to hit Alt F4, guys. Do not use lined paper. It is awful.